I want the ugly, man.
On them boy that nasty up my blood clot bashment road and a mask kingdom man a wear. Man a real bad man out the road.
You don't have to see the face, you just need to hear the voice, and you know say it's a Ninja Man video, cause man a no robber, man a no thief. Move from here so with your tina bully beef. Oh! You know, I wonder what me I sing about. You have to watch until the end. Let's jump right into it. Poof!
What exactly has the bad man done to this point?
A bad man have a responsibility to see that the children in the community goes out and come in safe. A bad man in the community see to it that terrorists does not terrorize the community, rape the little school pitney them, terrorize the poor people them, rob you when you go to work from Monday till Friday, and the one money you have to come in to take care of the people them, then rob you and take it and go to shoot you, kill you. That is a responsibility. Dodos is a bad man, real bad man. Zeeks is a real bad man.
How do you know
Adams is a real bad man. Leng is a real bad man. Tone Youth a real bad man. Starkey, Copper, Rag in the whole of we have stand up as a real bad man. The people that protect Jamaica from terrorists are real bad man. Terrorists and bad man are two.
Remember, terrorists and bad man are two different things. People them come rob a place, take your car wheel and leave your car power block. Them are terrorists. And then come terrorize a place. Anyways, Ninja say I'm a real bad man. I'm a real bad man. We now hold up the thing tonight. We move forward. What else Ninja has to say? Oh, you see Emilia tried draw out the gargan. I best dancehall interview this of all time. It's not even close. The closest other interview to this was another Ninja Man interview. I best dancehall interview this year. Number 1. Because we don't play number 2.
I want to take this thing for. When me attack, me no care, you know, because I know say no like me. I no care if you no want like me or not. Me just telling you my mind straight and plain, you know. And who no want like it, no like it. Because when me I take me drink my tea and the people cut me I drink out. And when me I eat my food and the people food me I eat. Because God bless me that me survive and can have the things them for myself. And she knows that me man I got chat too much. And she knows that me man when me talk, enough people not like it. You know say, oh, this a brother here is a brother way. He have to go maintain himself, you know, because he chat too much. Yeah?
From the Gargan's mouth, him knows saying chat too much. So he knows that God bless him differently. That way he can just express himself without regrets or holding back because people gonna hold back for help him. What you mean, Gargan? Speak your mind. And that's one I think me like about Ninja Man too. Always a speaking mind. Alright. What else Ninja Man have to say? What else is resting on Ninja Man's mind tonight?
I wanna be like Daniel when he stand up not the lion's den. When the wicked and the enemy and parasites in Ninja Man, then she say me not beg them no friend. You hear me say, I wanna be like Shadrach and Meshach and Abednego. When we stand up not the flames of fire, you look for me not the flames, it no burn, you know. You hear me say, I wanna be like Samson, the man who saved the Philistine. When me shout righteousness and the wicked hear me, then know what righteousness really mean. You hear me say, I wanna be like Moses, lead the children them across the Red Sea. You hear me say,
the Ninja versatile no. Which category this fall under? A dancehall or a gospel or a dancehall gospel or a gospel dancehall? The man versatile gone to bed. The man I sing about all like Bible characters them. Huh? Which other DJ here are see do that? Only the Gargan, man. We'll move forward.
Phenomenon no one. Fabulous Ninja Man. I tell the nation. What me say? All about dance, enough of them are not done Shabba. All about dance, enough of them are not done. Who are done? Who no better come and act Ninja Man. What kind of done? Me talking about the select man. What kind of done? Me talking about the 90s man. What kind of done? Me talking about the Brooklyn man. Because Dana Van, Dana Van lick out y'all but Dana Van them a whole man ram. Ninja Man a article done. 14 gun oh Bomberas clot now.
Ninja, Shabba Ranks and Junior Demos. Where Dana Van them there? Put up your hand. Boy, me glad my father never give me name Donovan, cause back in the days, boy, Ninja did Donovan wicked. Donovan I do what to you girls them? We peanut just till last night. And what did I say? The man them a like front and back for green card. Donovan them name. Anyways, big up yourself, Ninja man, you're so free. By the way, you like the video, share the video. By liking the video, yeah, help me fight against YouTube algorithms, because if you notice, I'm against them. Anyways, we move forward. What else Ninja gotta say with the nasty mouth? You know, say Ninja have a rude mouth.
Me blood clot to rob my money, you know. I'm busting me now. Yeah. When him couldn't come out of tower, you know, because we have PNP did around the country them time there. And we have PNP DJ. PNP was one number DJ where labor right could have gone away. And it was blood clot, the youth named Josie Wade. Baddest labor right DJ, but anyway, go say my shower. Shabba Rankin, them afraid to do that. And me go for Shabba Rankin down at Tower Hill. Yeah? And me take him up and say, yo, come here, you go up on the road. You understand? The youth talk about a bumper clot things about me. That boy talk. Look for the competition, gonna go look for the blood clot video with Ninja Man and Shabba Rankin clash. When we come out, because Shabba name, bumper clot, Shabba come out and come and talk about say, Ninja bow, Ninja bow, Ninja bow. Big bad man like me can blood clot bow. Eh? I want to Shabba. Me straight like a blood clot one. And if I know 1, I 11, if I know 11, 111 man can blood clot, then no some little need. I want to Shabba. I am post come out and say me bow.
I don't know what to start laugh before Ninja, cause yo, the video in my phone from when it's supposed to be on the channel already, but me I go through, me say me I post some for the new subscribers them. Yeah, you know, post some videos that already on the channel so we can have a fresh laugh. And for the older subscribers who've been here from September, August and October, you probably remember a few of these videos. Yeah man straight like what? Shabba did what? Oh my gosh, but I know people Ninja Man help boss, you know, and bring a road now. Shabba was one, that's why it vex when Shabba said Ninja bow, Ninja they have to hang him over thing. Anyways, the last clip here, me have a full video feed and me gonna do it different again. It's already on the channel, but you don't know anything, son. You're not gonna like that one now.
Skills to the test. Here's how it works. Each host has a secret item in their bag. When this item is revealed, you will have to come up with a verse which includes the mystery item. We'll start with Danique. You ready? All right, Danique, what's in your bag?
Hi, Ninja.
How are that?
It's a teddy bear.
Call me darling, give her one teddy beer. Then we go out and drink a red stripe beer. And if you disrespect, I said, get out of here.
Wicked. All right, Gianna, the next item, please.
I have a razor.
Okay. Sharp like a knife, baby figure cut. Take me razor and bust out your head cup.
Oh,
so then get to know so that me well serious. If you is a barber, don't ease it up. Grab the ear from me face, me have to shave it up. Get me razor and then me just clean that up smooth like a baby bottom. So they say me squeeze up. So
Mad.
Very good.
Ready for my Ninja?
listen to me. Man a no robber, man a no thief. Move piano now with your tina bully beef.
Hey.
Them they same thing bad man a heat. Man a no robber, man a no thief. Me a no Indian, me a no chief. Give me oxtail, don't give me bully beef.
Sorry.
Yo, I don't care what people wanna say. I don't care what people wanna do. Ninja man, I'm a big fan. Big hearted fan. From here there, me knee, me rate Ninja Man. I know, me here there, in my forehead. Anyways, the last video they're nice, don't. Me tell them say they were nice, man. And the longer version up on the channel, but me not think gonna put the link and me gonna react to the longer version again and upload it. It's been what? 8 months, September, August, almost a year. Anyways, like a video for me, please. By liking the video, you're helping me to grow the channel. You're helping the channel to spread to other persons who want to laugh as well, because YouTube ain't doing it. You see me I say? Almost 30,000 subscribers and the views are like 100, 200. Can I believe it? Share the video for me. I appreciate it. Share it in your WhatsApp group, your text message, your Instagram, your Facebook. Yeah. Leave a comment. If you rate Ninja Man, comment free Ninja Man. And subscribe, click the notification bell. As always, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and what? God bless.